Health. I'm the co-founder of terracottakids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video and comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you're not done yet. Okay, one second. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes. We'll place our small window over here. Okay, I've opened my Google Chrome and I'm opening W3 Schools, and here is Python. Okay, if and else, Python and if and else. Python conditions and if statements. Python supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics, like the operators we use in mathematics, right? That we do na a is equals to b, and we do is not equals to b, a greater than, a less than. So the same kind of those keys, the syntax is used. So if we want to check that is a's value equals to b, the same as b, so you will give 2 equals to signs. Okay, now we check not equals to. So if you press shift and 1, then this sign will come and you will give equals. So not equals to is like this, that a is not equals to b. Then less than b, this is how we put the less than sign, same as we do it in our maths. Less than or equals to, less than sign and the equals to. So what does the less than equals to sign do? It will say that is a's value less than b, or a's value is less than a's value equals to b. So there are basically two conditions: less than, or is a's value less than b, or a's value is equals to b. Okay, and greater than sign like this, right? And greater than or equals to, so I have given this sign and equals to. So it will check if a's value is not greater than b, or it is greater than, or it is equals to b. It's the same. These conditions can be used in several ways, most commonly in if statements and loops. It's saying these conditions: equals to, not equals, less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than equal to, greater than or equal to, are most of the times used in if statements or in loops. Now, an if statement is written by using the if keyword. So if you want to write if statement is used by writing if, by writing if. It has named it if. This is if else, and elif is so that the syntax is like that, so that we understand. We say na, if you want to do this, then you have to do this, else, otherwise else you will have to do this, right? So it's the same in this Python. You will say if b greater than a. So let's see. So first we have made a is equal to 33 and b is equal to 200. Now, if b greater than a, print b is greater than a. So we know 200 is bigger than 33, and this is the situation if b greater than a. Yes, it is greater than a, so it will go inside the if statement and it will get b is greater than a. Now, yeah. So like over here, now it would not get anything because it's like that because it if statement b greater than a, it's not true right now, right? Because b is smaller, 20 is smaller than 33, right? So it will get nothing because there is no else statement. Else statement is used when if this situation is not correct, then it goes into the else statement. Okay, so it will get nothing because there is no else statement and it will get nothing. See, and now if I do else, oops, sorry, else, mm, else we, it's not loading too much. See, else see, this is like this condition was not correct, then this condition was not correct, then else statement. You will understand it after we go on. So what is it written in this example? We use two variables a and b which are used as a part of the if statement to test whether b is greater than a. As a is 33 and b is 200, we know that 200 is greater than 33. So we print to screen that b is greater than a. We have done this already. I just told you right now, so I don't think so I need to tell you again. Let's go on. Oh, so in if and else, it's very important to get the indentation. One indentation goes wrong, the full code is wrong. It will get an error. So if in Python rules, what happens is if b greater than a, so after so there should be an like it should be like over here. You need to give a tab. You need to give the indentation. This is the rule. The Python was expecting it, and it will not work if any indentation is wrong of yours. See, now it will work. Okay. So Python relies on indentation, white space at the beginning of a line to define scope in the code. Other programming languages also use curly brackets for this purpose. Okay. Now there's an else if statement. So what does the else if statement do? We say that if, let's see, a's value is 33, okay, b's value is 33, okay. Now it's saying if b greater than a, print b is greater than a. Now we know that 33 is not greater than 33. It is that is the same value, right? So it will go in the else if statement. Else if statement, so this is the condition that if the if statement is not correct, go inside the elif statement. Now let's see, elif a is equals to b, print a and b are equal. So yes, it a equals to b, yes, they are same values, they are equals to each other, so it will print a and b are equal. In this example, a is equal to b, so the first condition is not true, but elif condition is true, so we print to the screen that a and b are equal. Now I'll go on the else statement. Okay. Now what does the else keyword do? If we have done a is equals to 200 and b is equal to 33. Okay, let's see. If b greater than a, no, b is not greater than a. So let's see the else elif statement. A equals to b. No, it's not correct. Then you give else, print a is greater than b, that these both situations are not correct, so go in the else statement. and print A is greater than B. Yes, when you go in the else statement and if statement is not correct, it will, and else statement is not correct, it goes in the else statement. Like over here, it's obvious if you have done B greater than A and B equals to B, then it has already understood that then A is greater than B, so it goes inside the else statement and prints A is greater than B. In this example, A is greater than B. So the first condition is not true. Also the else condition is not true. So we go to the else condition and print to the screen A is greater than B. You can also have else without elif. What does it mean is it's not compulsory. Do that write elif then write else. You can directly write if and then else. Okay, so there is no compulsory. If there are many like situations, then you give one elif statement. Okay, so right now B is greater than A. No, so it knows, it goes in the else statement and prints B is not greater than A. Now, you must, if you are learning from me, you must have known that the coders which are there, the lesser the line, the better the code. So this is how we can write the if statement in only one state, in only one line. So you will give if A greater than B, print A is greater than B. Right? Now shorthand if else. Now if there is I'll tell you this, then I'll tell you what I'm trying to say. If you have only one statement to execute, one of for if and one for else, you can put it on one same line. So then you will do print A. You need to print the A if A greater than B, else print B. Okay. So when you're putting in the same line, you don't need to put a colon first of all. And second of all, if there's only one if statement, then you will not do print A is greater than B if A is. You will not do like this. Like wait. Mm, and like this, right? You will not do like this, so it will get an error. If there's only one statement you want to print, then it will get an error. Okay, if there's an if and else statement, then only it will not get an error writing like that. Now this technique is known as ternary operators or conditional operators. So this situation, like writing in one line, like there are right now three situations now over here. So ternary operators mean that there are three situations: A greater than B, print A, or print B. So there are three conditions here. So that's known as ternary operator, or you can say it as conditional expression. Now, you can also have multiple else statements on the same line. So you can have multiple, like you can put two else statements here. Okay. So you're doing print A if A greater than B, else print X if A equals to B, and else print B. While now, so what are we doing? We are doing print A. That you need to print A if A is greater than B. So A is not greater than B, no. So then it's else print equals to if A equals to B. So then yes, it is A equals to B. So it will print X. It will immediately go out of it because this situation is correct. So it will not look for this situation, that it will like go on and it will just print X because it has got the correct statement. It will not go in the other else. Okay, and remember not to give a colon. Now, and The AND keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. So AND operator, what it's sorry, not an operator, an AND keyword, what does it do? That A greater than B and C greater than A. So there are two conditions over here, A greater than B and C greater than A. So one of it is also correct. Now it will go inside the if statement. So let's see. A is greater than B. Okay, yes. And B, C is greater than A. So it goes inside the if statement and it will print both conditions are true. Now, so and keyword means that like there are two statements, like you can give two statements using the and statement, A greater than B and C greater than A, like we write in normal English language, in normal math, sorry, right? So now there's an or keyword. What will it do is it will also combine conditional statement. It will do A greater than B or A greater than C. So that if A greater than B, let's see, yes, and O A greater than C, no. So there are two conditions in here, that um, A greater than B or A greater than C. Like normal maths you do, you understand na the syntax just like that. So A is greater than B, but A is not greater than C. So it will not do that, it will not print anything. If one situation is correct na, so it will go inside the if statement. If both of the conditions would not be correct, then it will not go inside. Okay. Now if statement. Now nested if. You can have a if statement inside a if statement, and this is called as nested if statement. We had learned in dictionary na, nested dictionaries. So like that um what is it that f a oh sorry. So what will you do? You can put two if statements. X is equals to 41. Okay. So it says if x greater than 10. So print above 10. So yes it is. So it will print above 10. Now if now you're putting this another if statement inside it, like that's very obvious, in like you will put inside it. So if x is greater than 10, print and also above 20, else print not above 20, right? So there's a else statement in this inside the if statement, but this if statement no else is there, right? Now and also above 20, yes it is, yes, x value is greater than 20, so it will print and also above 20, and it will not go inside the else statement. Now if we would have given here 1, then it would and here there would be no else statement, so it would not, it will not get anything, because this situation is not true only. Then why it will not go inside it only, right? So it will print nothing. But if we had given else outside this, then you can give a print else print 1 but not above 10, right? So it would print not above 10 because this situation is not correct, so it will not go inside the statement only. So this is a like very not useful line in here, because it will not go inside it in it only, and it will go straight to the else and print not above 10. Now it's time for the exercises. Oh no, sorry. I forgot to tell you about the past statement. So what fast keyword, not the statement. Yeah. So if you want that if b greater than a, and you want nothing should come, like inside, it will go inside it, but nothing should come. You want completely. Then you can't give like this, na? Normally, it will raise an error. But the pass keyword, if you use the pass keyword, it will get nothing and it will not get an error. See, having an empty if statement like this would raise an error without the pass statement. Okay, now let's go on the exercise. Now, we want to print if A is greater than B. Yes, A is greater than B. So you'll put if A greater than. So this is the greater than sign, and you need to give the colon. Okay, submit answer. Now, if A not equals to, so you will give it if not equal to sign we had learned, and B colon. See, now yes, okay, so over here it's saying print yes if A is equal to B, otherwise print no. So if A greater than B, okay, so now you'll give your else, right? So if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B, so it will print yes, it's correct. What? Oh, sorry. You want it? I thought it's written greater than. It's equal to. Sorry. No, it's correct. Sorry. Now, print 1 if A is equals to B. Print 2 if A is greater than B. Otherwise, print 3. Okay. So, if A is equals to B, print 1. L if A uh, greater than. Okay, so this is the greater than sign, and B over here you'll give a colon, and then you'll give an else statement. Correct. Next one, print hello if A is equals to B, and okay, so over here you will give an and the and keyword, that A is equals to B and C is equals to D. Print hello if A is equals to B, or if A, or if C is equals to. So over here you will use the or keyword. Okay. Now you need to insert the what is the missing indentation here, what is wrong. So over here we have not given a tab. It's not giving it. Sorry. 1 second. Yeah, you'll give enter, and you'll give if 5. No, we'll do control Z. Okay, if 5 greater than 2. Now let's copy this line, command X, tab, and command V. Tab, command V. Oh, why isn't it inserting it? What is the error? Okay, so one space back. It's trying to get what do you say, that tab, but it's not letting me insert it. I'm not able to insert it. Right answer. It's okay, it must be a technical issue. Wait, let me check. It is the exact same code. It must be a technical issue. Let's go on. Exercise 8. Wasn't it going? Yes. Shortcut. We need to use the shortcut. Now over here you will not. So you will just control control X, control V. Come on, man. Okay, yeah. You'll give a space. It is the exact same code which you are doing, and it's getting an error. How is it not correct? Why doesn't it let me insert the tab? It is the exact same error. I mean, exact same code. It's okay, let's do exercise 9. Okay, so what did it think? Print yes, okay. Else. Come on, man. Oh, yeah, sorry. I need to give it in shorthand, right? I'll copy this and X, command V, right? Else we'll copy no colons, else no, then we'll give print no no, why are we giving print no else? We have to give else over here only. Yeah, better. Now let's do submit answer. Correct, yay! It's correct of ours. That both exercise 7 and exercise 8 must be getting an error. I don't know why there would be a technical issue. And I hope so we have done our if and else Python chapter also. And so guys, I hope you like the video, and we'll meet you soon in my next videos. Bye. Stay safe and keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel. Dab 3 or 3 2 1 and